Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure you like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to become part of my Unicorn Sparkle Squad. Today, I thought it'd be fun to do the part 2 of Squishy Scammer. So, by the way, if you don't know what that is, I did part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 was packaging the squishies. Part 2, which is today, is opening up one of the package, and part 3 is opening up the next one. So, the next package, because this is in a 2-package video. So, yeah, remember that this is a skit, and this is, like, not real. So, like, if you want to watch a real Squishy Scammer video, this is not it. So, yeah. It's like, yeah. So, yeah. So, let's just get straight on into it. And the cord is in your guys' face. Like, you don't like seeing cords? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to be doing a package opening. So, this did come in 2 packages. It's really exciting. But I'm only going to open one today, so I'm going to be opening this one. Oh, my information, sorry. So, I have my scissors with me, and let's just start opening this package. By the way, there is a part 3, so make sure you watch the part. To this video, because then I'll be opening the next package. So yeah. By the way, this is by Squishy Scammer, and it's a really inspirational name. So let's just open up the packaging. Like, what the heck? It's already opened. Okay, this package is already opening. I'm guessing this is just my post office's fault, so like, not Squishy Scammer's fault. So yeah, let's just show you the, what is it called? Let's just show you the squishies. I will not look. Oh my god, it looks fun. Okay, right away I see a piece of paper. Oh, it's like cut, but I'll tape it back. I'm gonna glue it back together in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back and it's all glued together, but let's open it up. It's the LOL doll. This is the LOL doll instructions. Probably thinking, what is an LOL doll? Here, this is an LOL doll. Many other options. Sorry about lighting, but some others. I have a whole collection. This is just one of them. They have squishy heads. So it comes with instructions when you buy them. So this is the instruction to it. Won't focus. Oh my god, too far, too far. Sorry, I did not mean to do that. Okay, let's pull it out. Maybe there's like another extra. Oh my god, there's Skittles. I can't wait to eat these later. Like, oh my god. Okay. It doesn't feel like there's any Skittles in here. It smells good, but there's no Skittles in here. Probably accidentally dropped that in there. But I'm surprised that it's sent in 2 packages. I thought it only sent in 1 like big package. So I'm thinking like extras would be in 1 package and the others would be in that package. So I'm thinking this is my extra package, by the way. Okay, so this is definitely an extra. Here it is. It's the pancake stack. I did order a Punimaru pancake stack, but like, still, it's very defected. Paint chip everywhere. Like, paint is just chipping. But yeah. Still, thank you so much for the extra. That was like a really nice extra, and I'm so glad that you included it. So yeah. My god, lighting. lighting is like so bad today. I'm sorry. Sorry that my bed's not made. It is actually nighttime right now. So yeah. Next squishy. Looks like we got this unicorn squishy. I did order the the licensed unicorn squishy. Forget what brand, but this is definitely reproduced, and I'm guessing there's an extra. She did say she included amazing extras, so yeah. That's that extra. And moving on to another extra, we have this very, very, very defected squishy. Like defect after defect, like on this squishy. Like, oh my god. Like, you see that? Do you see this? And it's like, sorry, I can't find the big defects. Oh my god, and then back, like the cup. Okay, and then there's also on the ice cream there's defects. But then the big one. And then in the gigantic defect, there's a defect. Like, see, I can stick my finger in it. So, very defected ice cream squishy. Again, I did order a ice cream in a bowl squishy. Pretty sure it's an extra. So far this is amazing package. I mean, I've got all these amazing extras, like I've been wanting to buy this. Oh, it's very defected. Like, this is the reproduced rainbow ice cream squishy. I did order the Galaxy Good, like the licensed version of this, but like, I don't know. That's great. Extra. Moving on, we have last squishy in the package. Okay, it's defected on the bottom. It's defects on the leg, but yeah. Face is very wrinkly, like very airy. It says reproduced. I did order Jumbo Pepetsu Puppucci, but these are all extras. Packaging, the package all over. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell.